AC repair tips for Pittsburgh homeowners. Having your AC malfunction in the middle of summer is a nightmare for Pittsburgh homeowners. When it comes to AC repair and troubleshooting, there are several things to consider. It's vital to clean your AC from dust and debris that can reduce efficiency and performance. Routine maintenance can prevent this and extend the lifespan of your unit. If your AC is still not functioning properly, it's worth checking the filter, the batteries in the thermostat, and the thermostat settings to ensure that they're correctly configured and that you have proper airflow. Sometimes a simple adjustment can resolve the problem. For more complex issues, seek help from experienced HVAC technicians. If the AC in your Pittsburgh home is in need of repair, call South Hills Electric at 412-900-4978. We have the skills to diagnose and repair issues effectively, ensuring optimal cooling performance all summer long.